Let's take a smash burger and make it a jalapeno popper. Alright, let's start off with cooking some bacon. Gonna go less crispy on this kind. Look at that. It's done. I'm gonna cook these jalapenos, kind of steam them, and I'm gonna let them render in the bacon fat. Let them cook down where they're nice and soft. Let's take our 3-ounce beef balls, put them on the Blackstone griddle, smash them, get them nice and smooth. We really want to cook this one side almost all the way through, give it a flip. These are 80-20 beef patties, so if you want that nice crust, you got to go with the 80-20 at least. Definitely can't forget to toast those buns. Give it a nice flip. Look at that nice crust. That's what we're going for. We want a crust. And then this is the filling to the jalapeno poppers. Cream cheese, Old English cheese, a couple seasonings. I'm gonna get that cheese nice and gooey. It's time to build that burger. Let's taste test this jalapeno burger. 360 view. All that crust from the smash burger. Oh yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.